What's up, guys? Back again. This is the fourth day in a row with an upload. I did not bother with filming me working on the car any because obviously it's hard to do by myself. So I just came home, I went to work, I got this baby ready to drive. I took it out, test drove it. She's running a hell of a lot better. The timing is still advanced for whenever it had low compression because, well, I re-advanced it because I thought it still had low compression after setting it with the timing light. So it still does spit and sputter, but I actually like it being advanced like that because it gives it a little bit more get up and go. Car is running right now. I put the fan back on, the belts, and also fixed a power steering leak. As you can see, the power steering was leaking its ass off. Turns out it was just a loose fitting underneath the hood. And it's funny that it turns out everything that was wrong with this car when I bought it was something that somebody else did to it. So it's nothing that actually broke on the car. It's somebody else's dumb self who left shit loose, cross-threaded the spark plugs, and what else did he do? He left a bunch of fucking coolant lines loose and everything loose underneath the hood. So I've had to go through and fix a ton of leaks. But finally, after 2 months of owning it, I think I have everything fixed as far as leaks goes. Mechanically, it's running great. And yeah, I definitely don't think we have low compression with the way this thing runs now. So I'm going to show you guys the car one more time. I'm going to get a couple exhaust clips. This isn't going to be a long video just because I already did all the work. But a couple exhaust clips, one little burnout clip, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy seeing this car running and driving. It is definitely badass. It will definitely drift with this V6 in it. And next step, we're gonna weld the diff, put in a hydraulic handbrake, and yeah, possibly go see one of my buddies that has a big ass shop with a big ass parking lot and do some testing on it. So here in the next couple weeks, we're looking to get this thing sideways, and I think we can do it. But anyways, here's some exhaust clips, one burnout clip, and maybe some of me driving. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get that, but thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna end it out with the burnout and exhaust, and maybe we'll see you tomorrow.